Reward apps are only worth using when the time you spend matches the value of the rewards you can actually redeem. By the end, you'll know how to judge reward apps before using them, and which signs separate useful apps from ones that waste your time. The first thing to check is how the app explains its reward system. A reliable reward app should clearly show how users earn points, credits, or other rewards. Before spending time on an app, read the earning rules and understand what actions are required. The second thing to review is the payout process. A reward app should explain how users claim rewards and what steps are involved. Check the redemption section before completing tasks, so you know how the process works. The third factor is the type of activities available. Some reward apps focus on surveys, some include games, and others use different tasks to earn rewards. Choose apps with activities you would normally enjoy because the reward system only matters if you are willing to use the app consistently. Another factor is transparency. Apps that clearly explain their terms, reward rules, and user requirements are easier to evaluate. Avoid apps that make large promises without explaining how earning and withdrawals actually work. A common mistake is downloading many reward apps and using all of them at the same time. Managing too many apps can make it difficult to know which ones are actually useful. Test one app at a time, and track whether the tasks and rewards match your expectations. Reviews can also help you identify common problems. Look for repeated complaints about unclear rules, difficult withdrawals, or changes to reward systems. Use reviews as a guide, but check the current app information because reward programs can change. The best reward apps are not always the ones with the biggest advertisements. They are the ones that clearly explain the process and provide a simple way to understand your progress. Before choosing an app, check 3 things: how you earn rewards, how you redeem them, and whether the tasks fit your available time. Your next step is to compare a few reward apps using these checks instead of downloading the first one you see. A good reward app should make the earning process easy to understand from the beginning. If this guide helped you evaluate reward apps better, like the video and subscribe for more practical app reviews and comparisons.